Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we gonna make video about
Giving an X a direction.
two strangers. My name is Vita Febrianti.
My name is Aisyah Limatu Sadia.
Enjoy. Excuse me, are you available right now?
Sure, why?
Can you help me? I want to go to Technopreneur building.
Okay, the first one, you can go straight from here until you saw a T junction, and then you can turn right and keep walking until you saw a park here motorcycle area.
After I turn right, I just keep walking until I saw a motorcycle park area. And then
You can walk past the roundabout. After that, you can just keep right and you can saw the Technopreneur building is behind the car park area.
I see. The Technopreneur building is behind the car park area, right?
Yeah.
Thank you for giving me a direction. Have a nice day. Bye.